Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a roll letter. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need a piece of paper, a writing instrument like a pen, and some string or ribbon. Selecting a good quality paper, perhaps a thick parchment or cardstock, will ensure your letter holds its shape beautifully. A decorative ribbon, about 12 inches long, adds a lovely finishing touch to your special message. Now it is time to write your heartfelt message. Use a pen to write clearly on one side of your chosen paper. For an extra touch of elegance, consider using a calligraphy pen to give your words a classic, timeless feel. You can also personalize your letter with small drawings, a unique stamp, or even a traditional wax seal to make it truly one of a kind. With your message complete, let us move to the rolling technique. Lay your letter flat on a clean, smooth surface. Starting from one of the shorter edges, begin to roll the paper tightly and evenly. The goal is to create a compact, uniform cylinder. Aim for a diameter of about 1 inch, ensuring it is neat and secure for presentation. Finally, it is time to secure and present your beautiful rolled letter. Take your chosen string or ribbon and tie it firmly around the center of the rolled paper. You can create a simple knot or a more elaborate bow for an attractive finish. Your unique, handcrafted rolled letter is now ready to be given as a thoughtful and memorable gift, sure to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.